Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the remaining chapter 7, Air, and your topic is air pollution. Contamination of air is called air pollution. Air pollution occurs when gases, dust particles, smoke, and odor are introduced to the atmosphere in harmful amounts. Unclean air can cause harm to living beings. The substances that cause air pollution are called air pollutants. एयर में मिलावट को ही हम लोग एयर पॉल्यूशन बोलते हैं। एयर में जब गैसेस, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, स्मोक एंड ऑडियो हार्मफुल अमाउंट में हो तभी एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है और ये हार्मफुल एयर लिविंग बींग्स के लिए बहुत नुकसानदायक होता है। जिस सब्सटेंस से एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है उसे हम लोग एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स बोलते हैं। कॉजेज़ ऑफ एयर पॉल्यूशन। एयर पॉल्यूशन क्यों होता है? द एयर पॉल्यूशन इज कॉज्ड बाय द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटी। फर्स्ट, burning of fossil fuels like coal and petrol by factories and vehicles releases harmful gases and smoke into atmosphere. Second, landfills, fertilizer and pesticides emit toxic gases into atmosphere and contaminate the soil. Third, during volcanic eruptions and wildfires, a large amount of smoke and dust is introduced into the atmosphere. Fourth, when an infected person sneezes or coughs, the airborne bacteria and virus are transmitted through the air. Fifth, bursting of crackers and other fireworks also release toxic gases in the atmosphere. Effects of air pollution. एयर पॉल्यूशन से क्या इफ़ेक्ट होता है? फर्स्ट, एयर पॉल्यूशन कैन कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स such as headache, irritation in eyes, nose and throat, sore throats and asthma. Second, longer exposure to polluted air can even cause serious health problems like lung cancer, heart disease, brain damage, failure of kidney and so on. Third, toxic gases when mixed with the clouds cause acid rain. When acid rain falls over a place, it harms plants and animals surviving in that area. Preventive measures to keep air clean. हमें क्या मेज़र लेना चाहिए एयर को क्लीन रहने के लिए, एयर को क्लीन रखने के लिए? फर्स्ट, यूज़ इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट whenever possible. Walk to nearby places instead of using vehicles. Second, do not carry out open burning. Third, plant trees in the surroundings. Fourth, save electricity by switching off lights and fans when they are not in use. Fifth, ensure that factories in the nearby areas follow the environmental laws. And sixth, keep your home well ventilated. Okay students, that's all for this chapter. Goodbye.